Wait, are you serious? No heat, just 5 ingredients, and this is done in 10 minutes?
Yep, today we're making that. A perfect no-cook summer roll.
Okay, hurry up. I need this, like right now.
Take 1 cucumber, and peel it into thin ribbon-like strips with a peeler. No knife needed.
Honestly, even I can handle this.
Just avoid the seedy center and use the outer flesh. Once done, add 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon vinegar. Toss it all together.
How long do we wait?
Just 3 minutes. That's it.
Whoa, so much water came out.
Exactly. That keeps it crisp and prevents the roll from getting soggy. Wash the arugula and dry it completely. Any moisture will make the nori soggy and the roll fall apart. Use a salad spinner if you've got one. Cook rice using a 1:1 rice to water ratio. And mix the kimbap seasoning beforehand. 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 1 teaspoon salt. If the sugar isn't dissolving, pop it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. It'll melt right away.
Oh, that actually works.
Add about 4 tablespoons of this mixture into warm rice.
Oh, that's why it already smells so fresh and tangy.
Fold it gently with a rice paddle. Don't smash the grains. Let it cool slightly and your base is ready. Place the nori shiny side down, rough side up, so the rice sticks better.
I've been doing that wrong my whole life.
Spread rice evenly. Then place fillings in the center: ham, pickled cucumber, and arugula.
Only 3 main fillings? That's it?
Yep, keep them centered so the cross-section looks clean. First roll. Press lightly to tighten everything.
Okay, rolling time. Every time I cut kimbap, it just explodes everywhere.
Use a bread knife. Gentle sawing motion, no pressure.
Whoa, that's actually perfect.
This is already really good on its own, but want to take it up a notch?
Obviously, tell me now.
Mustard mayo sauce. 3 tablespoons mayo. 1 tablespoon whole grain mustard. 1 tablespoon honey. Black pepper. A splash of lime juice. Sriracha mayo sauce. 3 tablespoons mayo. 1 tablespoon sriracha. 1 tablespoon honey. A splash of lime juice.
Let me guess. The second one is spicy?
You already know. This is already really good on its own, but this spicy one is addictive. Sweet, tangy, and hot.
The crunch from the cucumber with the arugula and that sauce? This tastes like a gourmet sandwich wrap. I still can't believe we didn't cook anything.
This is your whole summer solution.
Honestly, it's insanely hot outside, and I didn't have to turn on a single burner.
That's the whole point.
I'm never cooking in summer again.